isGraph in C++ sees if a character is graphical. Let's set up some code so you can see the functionality of isGraph. We will have a char array of 3 characters. So, chars, square brackets, 3 equals the array containing space, tab, and the letter A. Next, we will loop over these characters for char C chars an enhanced for loop. On each run loop, we will see if the given char is graphical. So, if isGraph of C. Inside the if statement, we will insert to see out that the character is graphical. If we actually ran this code, you'd see that only A would get a printout from our if statement. That is because characters with an ASCII value between 0 and 32, as well as the character with ASCII code 127, are not considered graphical by the isGraph function. Like and subscribe to learn more.